a prisoner of the storm, but the time has come, now I've had enough. I can't take it anymore. The blood rushes through my head. You deserve everything you get. The love is gone and there's nothing left here but the love you try to hate. Tell me now, who's to blame? Will I burst from the wreck? Hear it calling my name. You are the cause of the fight, and you force my rage out of hiding. Until you stop and look at me as if I'm the enemy. You know that you've crossed the line for the last time when you trampled over me. The blood rushes through my head.